Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So, what are we sure of for the year 2026 concerning Windows? Well, two things. If you're on Copilot plus PC, because right now, if we look at the Windows version command, a lot of you are still on 24H2. My machine's here on 25H2. And my Canary Windows Insider machine shows 26H1, but there's a catch. That will be for Copilot plus PCs, not for everybody else. So 26H1, in fact, if you've got a regular Intel or AMD x64 PC, this is not a thing for you. What will be a thing is 26H2. We know it's going to come, and that's going to be for the regular folks. But it is very interesting that Microsoft is now having two different types of builds going forward, one for Copilot plus PCs and one for regular computers, x64 based. What will be interesting also in 2026 is to see the famous progression of Windows 11 and how Windows 10 declines, the continuing decline of Windows 10 by the end of 2026, as the year will end, of course, with the real, truly end of support where security updates won't happen anymore. Of course, you'll have choices. You'll have the possibility to go to zero patch and continue if you want, and that could be an option actually for some of you to continue using your PC at the end of next year. What we aren't totally sure for 2026 is, could there be a Windows 12 or whatever they would call it? Now that will be something that we'll want to check out because it is going to be interesting to see if Microsoft goes through with a new operating system next year. A lot of the comments I've seen on when we talk about it on the channel, for a lot of people, they seem to think 2027 might be a better time. And yeah, it's not impossible. We don't know. But Windows 11 is an aging operating system. It doesn't show, but it's already kind of halfway when we think about how computers, Windows computers, the operating system usually has a 10-year shelf life if you want. Windows 11 is already halfway there. So there has to be something else, or there must be something else in preparation for the future. But they could be taking more time because they're maybe a little burnt by the fact that Windows 11's adoption rate didn't go like as well as they thought it would. Some of it because at the beginning when it came out, a lot of the PCs were not compatible with Windows 11. Now, as we are 5 years in, most PCs, the majority of PCs are compatible with Windows 11. And new PCs that people are purchasing are with Windows 11. But, you'll have that base of Windows 10 users, that's for sure. That'll continue. And some of you have said, do you think Microsoft could extend for another year the support for Windows 10? My guess, personally, no. But you never know. And it will probably depend on the numbers game, how many people are still on Windows 10 by the end of next year. But 2026, it is going to be interesting to look at, and we'll see what happens next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.